Okay, so for this inequality, they're asking us to solve for the variable. And basically, this is going to work the same way that equations work. Where we have the inequality sign, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. I don't know if you remember when I used to do this for equations. And I want to get the q by itself on that side of the inequality. So I'm going to add a 5 on both sides. So then q will be greater or equal to the number 2. So this will be my inequality. This is what I'm going to go ahead and graph. So I'm going to graph it. Again, I'm going to do a number line. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then -1, -2, -3, -4. Add 2. I'm going to go ahead and do a mark because we have the equal sign, right? The greater than or equal. I'm going to go ahead and close the circle. And then I'm going to shade to the right where the values are greater than 2. So that's the graph. Now let's talk about interval and set notation. So our set notation is going to be written as a curvy bracket and then q. So the solutions are q, and then we do a vertical line. This means such that q is greater or equal than 2. So basically the way that this is read is all the values of q such that q is greater or equal to the number 2. And then if we try to write it in interval notation, interval notations start with the lowest value. In this case, the lowest value is 2, right? Because q contains 2, we're going to use a bracket. And this is because we have the greater or equal. Greater, I put less than. So this is because we have the less than or equal. So the fact that we have the equal sign, we use 2 and we use a bracket. And then comma, and then because q is all the numbers greater than 2, we don't have a limit. We go to positive infinity and we add a parentheses. Okay. So again, we use parentheses for infinity because we don't have a defined number for q. We just know that q can be any number greater than 2, so we use parentheses. Okay. And because we have the equal sign under the inequality, we use brackets for 2.